Alright, I'm about to be snowed in for the next 2 days. So first things first. I gotta get some fresh mutts.
Look at this guy. Oh, maron.
Nobody. ¿Cómo me tienen aquí? That's why I love it here. If you know, you know. Alright, next essential, wine. Le voy a comprar a Alessa el culito para que ella me dé el culito de ella. No, señor, es mentira. Es un hombre serio. This is the one she likes. I got my booze. Next stop, hookah. Alright, so that's it. I got all my essentials. Wine, hookah, fresh mozzarella, and prosciutto. I could survive a week.
Essentials, baby.
Red chocolate tomorrow. I got grapefruits and some hookah. Got some soapy sock. Got some fresh mutts. Got some prosciutto. Got your 4 bottles of wine.
What do you got, like,
earmuffs.
4?
Here, put it on that. You want Mimi? Closed Cadillac. Come here. Are you really baking that thing?